Hi. Hi. So I just want to show you what is happening, what we're doing today. So that's all the furniture that was ruined. Everything is outside in the street. Um, you know. So she works with us sanding. You know. So she can see the water came down. However, we're in the cleaning process. That's the stove completely ruined. Her furniture. Inside you will see like the fridge is completely ruined. So the money you guys are sending on that, it's gonna help these people start over. So it's really amazing, to be honest. If they wouldn't have this money, it would be impossible for them to even think about buying a stove again, or the furniture, the beds. It's everything. TVs, kitchen, the bathrooms, everything's. They lost it. So thank you so much.